In Hinduism, the trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh holds the supreme place. While temples dedicated to Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva can be found in every corner of the world, a deep mystery shocks us. Lord Brahma, who created this entire universe, has temples dedicated to him that can be counted on one's fingers across the globe. Why was a creator forgotten by his own creation? Is there an ancient curse behind this, or a philosophical reason? Let's explore 3 ancient stories behind this mystery. Story 8. The False Witness, Shiva Purana. The first story comes from the Shiva Purana. Once, Brahma and Vishnu got into an argument over who among them was superior. Just then, a massive pillar of fire, Lingodbhava, appeared between them. They set a condition that whoever could find the end of this pillar would be considered superior. Lord Vishnu accepted defeat when he could not find the end. However, Lord Brahma resorted to deceit. He made the Ketaki flower a witness and falsely claimed he had found the top of the pillar. Enraged by this lie, Lord Shiva cursed Lord Brahma that he would never be actively worshipped across the 3 worlds. Story 2. Ego and Infatuation. The second story relates to Brahma's ego and attachment. During the creation of the universe, Brahma created an extraordinarily beautiful woman named Shatarupa. Brahma became infatuated with his own creation. To escape his gaze, wherever Shatarupa moved, Brahma grew 4 heads to watch her. When she moved toward the sky, he developed a 5th head. Shiva deemed this unethical, as Shatarupa was like Brahma's own mind-born daughter, Manasputri. In anger, Shiva severed Brahma's 5th head and declared that anyone who cannot control their senses is unfit for worship. Story 3. The Curse of Savitri. The most famous reason for the scarcity of Brahma temples is connected to Pushkar. According to legend, Brahma was to perform a grand ritual, Mahayajna, on earth, but his wife Savitri could not arrive on time. As rules required the presence of a wife to complete the ritual, Brahma immediately married Gayatri and seated her beside him. When Savitri arrived and saw another woman beside her husband, she was overcome with rage. She cursed Brahma that the world would forget him, and he would only be worshipped in Pushkar. Philosophical and historical context. Completion of creation. Philosophically, Brahma's role of creation is complete, whereas Vishnu's role of preservation and Shiva's role of transformation continue indefinitely. The principle of Maya. Since Brahma created the material world, Maya, spiritual devotion shifted toward Vishnu and Shiva as paths toward liberation, moksha. Rise of sects. After the Satava century, the growing influence of Shivaism and Vaishnavism contributed to the decline in Brahma's worship. Existing Lord Brahma temples. Pushkar, Rajasthan, the primary 2000-year-old temple dedicated to Lord Brahma. Brahma Karamboling, Goa, a 12th century black stone statue hidden away to protect it from Portuguese invasions. Prambanan, Indonesia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring a grand temple dedicated to Lord Brahma. Bengaluru, Karnataka, houses a 7-foot tall 4-faced deity sculpture of Lord Brahma. Conclusion: is the lack of Brahma temples the result of divine punishment, or our changing faith? Perhaps the answer lies in the idea that the entire universe, crafted by his hands, is his temple. What do you think? Has Brahma's work ended, or are we gradually forgetting him? Share your thoughts in the comments.